Hello YouTube, I'm back again with another unboxing video of this time a Vietnam Airlines Airbus A321-200. Before I get started, I would like to inform or tell you a few things. It's not really something important, but just a slight warning: if you hear thunder, it's because it's raining very heavily now. Just to let you know. Alright, let's get started with some information on this aircraft and its fleet. So this aircraft's first flight was on the 16th of December 2013. This was the 5916 Airbus A321-200 to be made. Vietnam Airlines was founded in 1956 as Vietnam Civil Aviation. Their main hubs are at Hanoi International Airport and Ho Chi Minh International Airport, and secondary hub is at Da Nang International. Their subsidiaries are Cambodia Angkor Air, Jetstar Pacific Airlines, and Vietnam Air Service Company. They have a total of 56 A321s in their fleet, and a total of 84 aircrafts in their fleet. That's not including the subsidiaries. Their company slogan is "Reach Further", and they are part of SkyTeam, which consists of a total of 20 airlines. Now let's go through the box real quick. So here we have Gemini jets, the model, look inside, Vietnam Airlines Airbus A321 with the Airbus logo, 1/400 scale die-cast model aircraft. The bottom, we have Gemini jets, 1/400 scale die-cast model aircraft with all the characteristics. The Gemini jets and the aircraft with Airbus logo A321, 1/400 scale, and the item number is GJHVN1597. The top of the box, Gemini jets, adult collectible model, and the barcode. And then this side is the same. Alright, the back of the box, we have the aircraft climbing. This is a very steep climb. Gemini jets, as real as it gets. Gemini jets brings you the highest and all those. You can pause there if you want to read that. Alright, their Facebook down there, made in China, and this is a 2017 Gemini Jets Las Vegas release. Alright, so let's look inside. This is the inside of the box. So let me just go up a bit. Alright, so this is the top of the box. Vietnam Airlines Airbus A321. You can pause there if you want to read that. Alright, Airbus A321, the length and the height, delivery, Vietnam Airlines, aircraft type A321-231, construction number 5916 or 5916, registration VN-A608, first flight 16 December, delivery date 23rd April. And then this is the wingspan of the aircraft. Alright, then they have the visit their website for more releases. That's the website right there. And we have lastly the aircraft in the box right there. If you don't know if you can see that. Yeah, there we go. Okay, so now let's take it out of the box. There we go, A321 1400. There. And here's the aircraft. Alright, so you guys can take a look at the aircraft real quick. I put the model back into the box, or the bubble wrap thingies back into the box. Okay, so now that's done, we'll go through the model real quick. We'll start with this side, and I've been wanting a Vietnam Airlines A321 model for quite some time now for my airport. So yeah, start with this side. Right, so we got the nose cone right there, the cockpit windows, Sky Team logo. What is there anything underneath the gear doors? Yep, that says underneath the gear doors there's three numbers, 608, which is the last three registration for this aircraft. Vietnam Airlines and their logo. Okay. The Vietnam Airlines logo right on the engine, the wing tip, the wing, and last the back, which is the body. We have the registration here, and Airbus A321 right there, and their logo with the Vietnam flag on the top. Alright, so now let's take a look at the other side of the aircraft. It's all the same except we have cargo doors. Yep, as you can hear, that's the thunder, just very loud. Cargo doors right there. Where my finger is. And the rear cargo door, where is it? Right there. I don't know if you can see that. See that? I don't think you can see right there. Yeah, I don't think you can see that, but yeah, so here's the side view if you want to know. Back or front view first. And then the rear view. Alright, so now let's take a look at the aircraft on the top and underside. Okay, so this is the underside of the aircraft. So we have the nose landing gear right there, which is a bit tilted. I don't know if you can see that, but it does roll. So moving down, we have the beacon light, hole for the stand, Gemini jets, the right side. If you look from the top, this is the right side, with the engines, IAE engines, the landing gear dash roll. It's the left side of the engines again, and the registration right here, VNA608. This landing gear dash roll as well. Moving downwards, the tail. Interesting. Okay, so now let's take a look at the top. Alright, so here's the top. We have the antenna right there. Moving down, this is the left side of the aircraft. The details on this are very clear, so that's good. Right side, the registration, the kind of Wi-Fi box, either one, I'm not sure. Then we have the antenna and the final antenna, the horizontal and vertical stabilizers at the end, as you can see. So yeah, that's that. And now let's take a look at the model on the stand if it goes in. Alright, so here we have the aircraft on the stand. It fits perfectly right into the hole. So yeah, this is the front side of the aircraft, as you can see. The left side of the aircraft. the back side of the aircraft and the right side of the aircraft. Okay, so now let's take a look at some close-up details, like, I mean not close-up, but like some type of creative shot thing. Yeah, I don't know. Alright. Okay, so yeah, I think for this model we can leave it on the stand. But yeah, other than that, I think this is a quite a nice model. If you have a Vietnam airport or like just want to get this for collection, it would be a great model. Next video will most likely be it will be a unboxing video. Not sure which aircraft yet, but it will be an unboxing. Yeah, sorry for all the thunders that you heard in the video. But yeah, this is the only time I'm free, so I mean, let's make the best out of what we can, right? I mean, so yeah, anyways, please like, comment, and subscribe. That's basically it. If you have any questions, write it in the comment section. I will gladly answer them. Yeah. So yeah, thank you for watching. Bye.